Hello, myself Dr. Vasanta Kahalkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Mahatma Gandhi, Arts, Science, and late NP Commerce College, Armory. In this video, I am talking about external internal structure and vegetative reproduction of Riccia. So let us start. The classification of Riccia, division Bryophyta, class Hepaticopsida, order Markensialis, family Ricciaceae, genus Riccia. The genus Riccia has about 200 species widely distributed in both tropical and temperate region of the world. About 30 species of Riccia have been reported from India by various workers. The pioneer Indian worker S.R. Kashyap recorded number of species from Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Kashmir, and other regions of Western Himalaya. The plants grow predominantly on damp soil, moist and shady places. Now, see first external feature of Riccia. The adult terrestrial gametophyte is prostate, rosette-like, dichotomously branched, dorsiventral, deep green, and found upon suitable substratum of damp soil. The dichotomous branching of thallus found quite close to each other and thus a rosette-like appearance is attained. A conspicuous median longitudinal groove is found on the dorsal side of each branch of thallus. A notch is found on the terminal end of each branch and on the dorsal side of each branch of the thallus. The growing point is situated in this notch. The ventral surface of the thallus bears a row of one-celled thick scales. The scales are violet colored, multicellular, and are arranged close to each other towards the apex of the branch. The scales are found in one row towards the apex of branch, whereas they are found in two rows in the portion away from the apex. The rhizoids are also found on the ventral surface of the thallus. The rhizoids absorb the nutrients and water from substratum and they perform the function of roots. The rhizoids are of two types, that is smooth-walled and tuberculate rhizoids. In each case, the rhizoids are unicellular The tuberculate rhizoids possesses the peg-like infolding into the lumen of rhizoids. Next topic, internal structure of thallus riccia. Anatomically, the thallus is differentiated into dorsal photosynthetic and ventral storage region. The ventral region of the thallus consists compactly arranged of simple parenchyma cells which are colorless. The cell of this region make the storage and filled up with starch grain. From the single layered epidermis of the ventral surface, several unicellular rhizoids, smooth-walled and tuberculate, and multicellular scales are given out. The dorsal region of the thallus consists of the chlorophyllous cell arranged end to end to form vertical row. There are regular regions in photosynthetic and assimilate carbohydrate. In between the two vertical row, air chamber is present. The epidermis of the dorsal surface of the thallus is discontinuous and open outside at several places by the opening of air chamber. The exchange of gases takes place through the air chamber. So this is the internal structure of the thallus riccia. Then vegetative reproduction. The vegetative reproduction takes place by several ways. By the death and decay of the older parts of the thallus. Sometimes a part of the thallus dichotomously branch, decay, or separated from the posterior end, and this way the terminal end of the branches remain unaffected, which may grow separately into new thallus. Second, by tubers. In some species, the tubers develop at the apices of the branches of thallus, which face adverse conditions and develop into new plants on the approach of favorable conditions. Third one, by adventitious branches. According to Carver, in several species of Riccia, the adventitious branches are produced on the ventral surface of the thallus. These branches get detached or separated from the thallus and develop into new gametophyte. Fourth one, by gymma formation. According to Campbell, the Riccia may also reproduce vegetatively by cell division of the young rhizoids, which develop into new gyma-like structure of the cell. These structure give rise to new plants. So, in this way, the vegetative reproduction occur in Riccia. Remaining portion we will discuss in next video. Thank you.